Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Android emulators are quite rare on M1 Max and I've been struggling a lot to find the working one. I tried BlueStacks, I tried Nox Player, I tried LD Player, they are all have issues and do not work. And finally I found a working one, so I thought why not share it on YouTube so people who have the same problem would benefit from it. So if you've been searching for an Android emulator, I will show you how to download and install a free completely working Android emulator on your M1 Mac. So first of all, we're gonna use Google to download the Android emulator. Just search Android Studio. Sorry for that. Here you go. Just choose the first link that appears. I will also add the link in the description just in case. Press download Android Studio and read the license and terms and conditions, whatever. Press I have read and then choose the one with the Mac with Apple chip. Do not choose the Intel chip unless you have an Intel chip computer, of course, but for the purpose of this video we're going to choose the Mac with Apple chip. Leave it to download. I already have it downloaded, so go to Finder, Downloads, and then click on the package. Pull the Android Studio into your applications folder. Okay, I have it installed, so I'm gonna replace it. Leave it to install, and then open your application and search for Android Studio. You can use Spotlight, you can use whatever. Here you go. Here is the application. This application is not just for using an Android emulator. I think it's also for coding, I guess, or programming Android applications. I'm not sure though. But it does the emulating just fine, so why not use it? So basically just click on more actions, virtual device manager, choose create a device. Make sure to choose a device with the Google Store icon, because other devices, they work fine, but you will not gonna have the Google services or the Google Play Store, which is for me is important. So I will choose Nexus 5X, I guess. Okay, then click next. Give it some time. Here are the OS version. Choose the recommended tab. Don't download from others or ARM images, just choose the recommended tab, and then you can download any OS version you need. I already downloaded one for the video, so you can click download and it will start downloading and it will work just fine. Then after you have downloaded it, just click next. You can name your device. Okay, now you can choose between landscape or portrait. I will use landscape for myself. You can check the advanced settings for modifying your internal storage, changing some options. I don't know what are those for. Anyways, then click finish. Okay, now we have the device right here. You can click start the device from this button right here, and here you go. And here you go, a completely working Android emulator on your M1 Mac. And you can use Google to download Google Chrome and Google Play Store to download your apps. Just sign in and it will work just fine. Thank you very much for watching the video. I apologize for my bad English. I know I'm trying my best, I swear. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did help, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments and I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much again and goodbye.